Okay. Hi guys. This is apparently like the third time I'm recording this video. I don't know why it's not displaying properly, but this is the last try. If it still doesn't work, I am going to leave it another day. But let's get right into it. So in this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to um, edit your photos, bring back ordinary photos like this in Lightroom, and you want to give it more life. You want the colors to pop. You want to reduce the exposure. You want to make your pictures just generally feel or look a lot better. So here is what I'm just going to do. I'm easily going to reduce. I'm going to try crop the photo. You can see there is a lot of distractions. These people are not meant to be showing the photo. This photo um, was shot by a student of mine. There was a wedding he covered, and then he shot this. So what I'm just going to do, I'm going to correct the photo that he shot, then just make everything look a lot better, right? So remember, it is necessary for you to crop your photos in case you had taken images and then what you took was having some sort of distractions, such as we have in this case. So all I need to do is click my crop tool, your crop overlay tool in Lightroom. The shortcut is R. I know you guys are already used to C as your shortcut, but in Lightroom your crop overlay tool is R. So you can hit the R key on your keyboard. Then let's get right into it. So I'm going to crop from the side because that is where I do not want. I want to crop that part out. So I'm going to adjust like this, bring from the other end also like this, then try to work on the lower part as well like this. Now, if you look at this picture, this is a lot better than what we had initially. Once you're done, click on the done button. Now, once you're done with this picture is a lot better. I'm sure you're going to agree with me. So let's get into making the whites not too exposed, making the greens pop, making this all this grass pop, making the guy's face shine brighter like diamond and other things. So there are four things I usually do anytime I'm working on photos after I'm done with the cropping, or if I am done with other things, other basic things. I always reduce my highlights, reduce my whites. These are the first two things. The other two things I do are I increase my shadows and then increase my blacks a little. So let's get right into that. Bear in mind, this works for outdoor photos, indoor photos, it just generally makes your photos fine. So let's get right into it. So I'm going to reduce my highlights. Look at this. I'll reduce my highlights. Can you see I am reducing it to about, this is minus 60. I would reduce my whites also. Once I do this, the picture always looks a bit calm, like calmer. Then I go to shadows, increase my shadows. Look at this. Once I do this, I go to my blacks, just work on it a little, just a little, let me like 12. Once I'm done with that, look at how the picture looks compared to what we had initially. Now, once I'm done with this, those are the first four things you want to do. After that, go to your contrast, increase contrast. Now, look at how transformed this photo has become. Increase your contrast. Now, bear in mind, your picture should not be too saturated. If it is too saturated, just come to saturation or vibrance, reduce it. But this picture is okay for me, and I like the way it's looking. So, after I do this, I then go to my HSL panel, hue, saturation, and luminance. I go to saturation. Is there blue in the photo? Not really. Is there green? There is green. So I'm going to go to the green part of the saturation panel, panel, increase green. Now look at what the picture is looking like. Once I have this, I don't like the way the green is looking. It's looking a bit yellowish, so I want the green to look a bit bluish. I'm going to go to the hue panel, then work on green, move it to the right side a little bit, then the green begins to look a bit bluish. Not too much, it's just beginning to look like a sort of teal green. Then I like it the way it is. Then if I notice that it's having a little bit, the whites are having a little bit of yellow on them, yellow cast, I'm going to go to saturation again and reduce yellows just a little. Now look at how clean and how clear the guy's dress looks and the chair as well. So this is what you're going to do each time you have photos, and then you want to, if I have blue sky in this photo now, I am definitely going to pop the blue. Once I pop the blue sky would come up, right? Then that's just it. It's as simple as it's very straightforward, very easy to do. It works on any photo, either it's an indoor photo or an outdoor photo. It works for any type of photo, technically. All right. So once you're done, you are free to save your photo or export your photo, and then that's all. For mine, I'm gonna export, and then that's all. So see you in the next video. Remember to subscribe, share, and turn on your notification bell so that you get alerted each time a very fantastic video like this comes up. And if you're willing to learn anything else, just put it in the comment section. I'm going to do a video about it, and then we move the world and we shape the world together. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.